Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fill the ink tanks in HP Smart Tank 670. To open the ink access door, stick your finger into this notch on the left side of your printer and push it up until it locks in the place. Now you can see black ink tank on the left side and the color section on the right side. They are protected with the covers, so just open the cover. Open this cover and also open the head of the ink tank. Just press on this lever and push it back like this. Next, twist open the ink bottle, and as you can see, nothing spills out when you just turn it upside down, so you need to align the bottle's neck with this small tube on the ink tank. And if the bottle is new, it has the plastic protector over here, and you need to apply some power. Press it down until you hear a click that breaks this protection. So align the openings and control the ink level in this window and just remove the bottle once the tank fills. Repeat this action for color tanks. The most important thing here is to not mix up the colors, so do not trust your dog with this task. A parrot would probably do a better job. Then close everything, close the heads, just click, 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 close the lid, close the black tank and close the lid. And now you can close the ink access door and you're all set. That's pretty it. Hope this was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button to support us, and be awesome. See you in the next videos. Bye guys.